Hey there, Mark and Jackie, and we are at the bird sanctuary in South Padre Island right now, and we're going to take you on a little tour.
Yes.
We're going to show you feeding the alligators and the tortoise, and as well as a little bit of a special thing that we got to do thanks to a volunteer here named Phil, who let us actually pet an alligator.
An alligator?
Yeah.
Seems like an oxymoron.
I know.
Why would you do that? I don't know, but we did it. She did
We
it.
did it. And I got to feed the little snapping turtles.
Snapping turtles. So she actually volunteered here for a little while, which was kind of fun to do.
Anyway, join us for this tour.
We're being greeted by a not so friendly bird. He really just wants the food. So the bird wants this. Keep calm. It's just a gator. Oh, there's the gators right there. See those gators? Yeah, there's gators right there. Oh, and there's got to be 3 feet. From here is probably similar. 3 feet. And then our little greeter is right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop some food in with the gators. Our little buddy may catch it out of the air. I'm not really sure, but I've got 2 gators down here waiting for some food. So here we go. Yeah, there he goes. We got to get a little bit of gator fight going on here. We got another gator. We got 3 gators now.
Thing is it?
Coming after it.
Oh, they're fighting.
There you go.
That's what he's trying to do.
There you go. Another 14.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this little guy. He's just really aggressive.
I don't know, every gator in town here.
She said there's 50 of them in here.
So we just missed that little piece of food.
Pretty amazing.
Oh, if that bird caught it, I'll do that.
No wonder he's hanging around here. Wow, that's impressive there, little buddy.
We got
Here's
3.
the buffet line.
Yeah, they're waiting too.
They're all waiting.
So we're gonna go to the tortoise habitat. Got our little buddy here. Kind of throwing us away. This one's pretty interested in just us. And this guy here, same thing.
There you go. Oops.
Just wants to hang out. And then this one's already anticipating
Oh boy.
that there's
He's
some.
climbing on up. Look at him.
Yeah,
Sweetie.
wants to climb out. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Uh-oh, we got another little feller
He's a little buddy.
coming over to get some greenery.
The leftovers.
And then our little buddy here just cannot let it go. They have these walkways that are built in. I don't see any wild gators though. Supposedly there's wild gators, and there's signs that say don't feed the wild gators. American alligators, what they're called. So here's another herring here too, or heron. They imported this from the Empire State Building. Jackie's doing all her photography, trying to get all the good shots. There she is in action. Gonna shoot another one. Oh, I bet you that's a good picture there. Oh yeah.
She has a super telephoto lens.
Uh-huh.
I can see why. If you do this for a total hobby, I can see why you would buy one of those.
Yeah.
for sure.
You could just duct tape some binoculars on the front of your camera,
I
can't you?
could do that.
Right? Oh, that doesn't work? I can see you're laughing at me, so apparently that's not a thing. There are these little schools of fish. They kind of school around. We'll go way on out here. See if we can find some big game. And then they have these little cards up talking about, oh, mud flats. So these are mud flats right here. And the various birds and crustaceans. The Atlantic jackknife clam. Never heard of it. Pretty cool. So we got a little, kind of a pigeon, like the one with the orange. Kind of reminds me of a pigeon. Does not have webbed feet.
Look at him.
And wants to
Own the... he wants to own
be
it.
very territorial here. Look at our little buddy here. No, we can't see it. Doing a great job. Alligators in this area, wild ones, I'm told. We have not seen any walking around. I'd be into it. Great to see an alligator in the wild as well. But as of right now, no alligators. Well, my dream is fulfilled. There it is, a wild alligator. Probably thinking we're going to give them some food, but they're saying whatever you do, do not feed the alligator. So here's the road we've been driving on right there, back and forth, back and forth. So about 200 yards away, we've got alligators. Don't kid yourself. So you do have to watch yourself a little bit cruising around here, because we do have wild alligators. And again, they got these little boards everywhere. The ducks, teal, sandpipers, greater yellow legs. Pretty cool. Jackie, you're now a volunteer.
He thinks this one. He bites a bit harder, but that's bad.
He's a biter.
Now you're hungry. There you go.
So we're going to be here for the next couple hours feeding the turtles. They've had enough and then they just stop eating. We should all take a little lesson from that. Oh yeah, that's a good shot right here.
He was very suspicious. Here you go.
Look at, he quit eating.
They think you have food.
No, he quit eating.
Oh, he spit it out.
He spit it out.
Look at that one doesn't want it either. You're right. They just quit.
That one does. Uh-oh.
Oh, fighting.
All
my
right,
God.
so we have a wildlife tamer right here. So
Okay, which one wants to do it? Come on,
That's-
Shelley.
Good.
Come on, Shelley. You're good because you're all dry.
do they mind being held?
No, they actually, these ones here, they like me to cuddle on me.
Oh.
They like it?
I hope they do. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna put the tape on your mouth. You ready? Ready?
Oh, I see. That's why
Because
you're doing that.
they have 80 teeth.
They have what?
80 teeth.
80. Wow.
So they don't bite. What they do, they'll pee on you.
Oh.
Hold your foot here like this.
Oh. Hold on, let me put this down.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna hold it?
Well, I'm just gonna have you hold its foot.
Oh boy. I don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm not sure about this.
Hi.
There's only one rule around gators.
What?
Smile. All animals. If you smile, they're good.
Except I got a
Yes,
mask on. You can't tell
I can
me.
tell by your eyes. I can feel your
She
heart.
thinks it's a puppy. She's talking like she talks to our dog.
I know. I talk to all animals.
They're kind of cute though.
Hi, baby.
She's fearless.
Wow.
Okay, let me see.
You
Let me
gotta
see
try.
this little dude. Can I touch this little dude?
Yeah. You gotta smile.
Oh, you
Especially
gotta
men. Men have to smile more.
Smile, gotcha.
Aw,
Yeah, they feel
look at
like,
you.
I guess like what an alligator would feel like.
Claws.
Foot. Alligator foot.
An alligator foot. Hi.
So how old is this one? What's your name?
Philip.
Philip.
They're
So how
3 years old.
This one's 3 years.
They're all born in August. All gators are born in August, maybe September,
Wow.
No kidding, huh?
because they have the same breeding cycle every year. She's Shadow.
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 And she likes to, even though she's warm from the light, I think I'm warmer than the light. So,
She likes it, huh?
yeah. You know, they can feel the heartbeat.
Even gators just
Boy,
like
now
to do
this is
that.
some pretty good care right here, guys.
Even gators
Philip is
just
knocking
like
it out of
to
the
do
park
that.
here at the bird sanctuary. Look at that. It's like having a pet alligator. Sort of.
Oh, that was on that one.
One for those twins. That was cool. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Philip. Okie dokie, so we're concluding our little visit. We're on a tower at the birding sanctuary. There's Jackie. South Padre Island. This way. It's kind of the main drag right there. Pretty cool. I definitely recommend it. There's the pond with all the gators in it. And the other thing is too, is really weird, is that we actually saw, and you will see, a real live wild
Wild
American alligator.
Let's try that again.
American.
A
Wi-
real, live, wild American alligator. And you got to kind of see all of the scooter stuff that Mark does, which he's pretty passionate about. For me, this totally is right up my alley.
Sure it is.
So I love the wildlife stuff, love doing the photos, even though, like I said, I don't know that I do
like
that much.
wildlife.
What's that?
I like wildlife.
Well, I like scooters, but
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
yeah, like, I'm not saying we don't,
Yeah.
okay. Anyway.